I have started with the collocations first, then next. Okay, who will come forward for the collocations? The first one. You make, they all have the worksheet. Yes, Archimedes, I can see the girl in the yellow t-shirt. Come forward. Come forward. Yes. Make.
Ma'am saw.
Make.
Saw.
So, make an effort. So, see, there are in, if you look in your worksheet, in collocations, you must have seen there are two sets of words given. Okay. One is like, make, take, do, give, all these words. And one is shower, your homework, advice. Okay. So all these words. So you have to match them. Okay. You have to see which words can be used by which. Anyway, good that you came forward. I didn't get what you were trying to say, but you will choose a word, choose a phrase from the other side. Like I can give you one example. Make. What do you make? Make an effort. Okay, so you can write make an effort. So you make an effort. I made an effort. Okay, that when I koshish kari, it means I tried. So you made an effort. Okay, so make an effort. So this is very important. This is when you start, when you talk with your friends, you can like, say, I made an effort, but I made many efforts. I made an effort. I was successful. I was not successful, but I continued with my effort. So this is how you have to do. Now, next is take. So what will you do with take? Which word do you think will match with it? Yes, Archimedes, I can see the first, yes, I can see many of you. Come forward, come forward. Yes, in the green t-shirt, middle row green t-shirt. Yes, could you please? Will you answer this? Yes, I asked that girl to come forward in the green t-shirt. Why hasn't she come forward? Archimedes, middle row. Yes, come forward. I was unable to hear. If you gave an answer, I could not hear it. Am I audible to all of you? You can all hear me well? Great. So please answer. Take a, what can you take? I can't hear. Are you answering? From the Archimedes classroom, I cannot hear. If you're answering, I'm unable to hear anything. Have you switched on the mic? Okay. I can see a hand raised from Brahmgupta, last bench. Last bench corner. Please come forward and answer. Quick, quick. Bache, come. The boy in blue t-shirt. Why aren't you coming? Why did you sit back? Come. Take a, very good. Take a shower. So you say I took a shower. Okay. Or I took a shower. Like, so it is take. Take a shower. It is a very common usage term. We normally use it in everyday language. Okay. Everyday conversations. Yes. I want to take a shower. I'll go and take a shower. Like, so take a shower. Okay. Next is give. Which word will match with it? Give. What do you give others? Lots of people give them. It's free for everyone. What do we give others? There's a word for it. Who will answer this question? Okay, Arya Bhatta, I can see a girl in yellow t-shirt, middle row. Please come forward. Give. I can't hear, beta. I'm unable to hear. I think so there's something wrong with the mic.
Ma'am, give a speech.
Give a speech. Okay? Yes, you give a speech. I gave a speech. I have to give a speech. Okay? So you give a speech. Very good. Very nice. Next. Have. Have. Who will answer this question? This one? This collocation? Quick, quick, quick. I know most of you know this answer. Is there anyone who want to answer from Euler? Yes, come forward. I can see two hands raised. The one in red t-shirt, come forward. Towards the end, yes, come forward.
Have a good time.
Have a good time. Very good. Yes, have a good time. People have good time. Oh, I went for a vacation. We had a good time. Okay. Or we are going for for a wedding and hoping to have a good time. So something like, having a good time, like enjoying, having fun. Okay. Another make. There is another make. What can it be? Another make. Let me check in my worksheet. Another make. What will you do? What else can you make? You make a very common thing. आपने गलती की है. Like, everybody will blame you. Yes. So I can see again from Aryabhatta house, there is a girl in yellow t-shirt in the middle row. Come forward. I think so, second last bench. Yes. Okay, okay. Come, come. Come, come. You can come. Don't worry. Come. You make a yes. What do you make?
Okay.
Make a mistake. Yes. So everyone, I'm sure you're doing the right thing. If you're not, if by any chance there is a mistake, you can correct it. Okay, side by side. So you make a mistake. You make an effort. You make a mistake. What else do you make? Okay, next. Take. Take. What do you take? Yes, I can see from Euler house, I can see the girl in a green t-shirt. She has raised her hand. Very eager. Yes, come forward. Come. Come. Yes, yes, yes. Take.
Responsibility.
Take what?
Responsibility.
Yes. You can take a risk. You can take responsibility. Okay? Yes. Take a shower, take a risk. So here in this, it will be take a risk. Okay? So here it will be, but take responsibility is also perfectly right. But in this here, it is take a shower and take a risk. So there are two takes. One is take a shower and one is another is take a risk. So you have to take risks sometimes. Okay? Next is do. Do. Who will Yes, I can see a lot of from Brahmgupta house. Last bench corner. Come. Both of you can come. Both the girls. Last bench. You can answer the next two. Okay? Do and give. What will you do? What do you do? Do the. Yes, what is the answer? Do the. What do you do? Do the. But I can't hear you.
Do your homework.
Do the dishes. That means bartan dhone. Okay, like you have to wash the utensils. So do the dishes. It's a very common everyday usage sentence. Do the dishes. Who will do the dishes? Okay, so you do the dishes. Next is give. Give. Who will answer this? Quick. Yes, I can see from Brahmgupta. First, middle row, first girl, red t-shirt. Give.
Give advice.
Very good. Give advice. Advice. Don't say advise. Okay, it is advice. Soft sound is there. So give advice. And last is have. Yes, I can see Arya Bhatta. I can see middle row, two girl. Yes, yellow t-shirt girl. You can come and forward and answer. I think so. This is the second time you're answering. Have. Have.
Have a risk.
Have what?
Ma'am, a risk. Ma'am, a risk.
A risk? No, beta. You don't have. Yeah, it has risk. Then will not come. It has risk. Okay, so it will be have responsibility. I have responsibility. I take responsibility. So this is how you use things in everyday life. So they are called collocations. They are two words. They come together and make a new meaning. Like and they are commonly used. Common, totally everyday language. They are used. Okay. So this is very important. If you want to converse in English very fluently, these collocations are very important. Like phrasal verbs, they are also very important and they help you build up your vocabulary and your language spoken language skills. But then all of you have to use them every day. Like try now. Here we have only 10 of them. Try to use them. Like make an effort every day to use them. Okay. So now we have finished this. As I told you, you're not throwing away the worksheets. You're putting them in a folder and keeping them till the end of the year. So that whenever you need any kind of help, whenever you want to look into something, you go back and you look. So I'm sure you're putting the date, you're putting the month, and you're keeping them, stacking them. Okay. So that is a very good habit. And you can always fall back on them and they will be like a ready reckoner, something to refer to. Okay. So now, did you get a new worksheet today? Have you got a new worksheet? Raise your hands. Yes. And they are about tenses. Everybody knows what is a tense? Anybody who would like to come in front and tell me? Gauze house. And I can see a lot of hands raised. What is a tense? Come forward. Do come. One of you. Whoever wishes. Okay. One from the corner row. One towards the wall. Okay, I can see someone sitting with a yellow t-shirt behind a red t-shirt girl, a yellow t-shirt girl. Come forward and tell me what is a tense. I'm sure you're doing tenses since class 2. Okay? And we all start tenses in class 2. And that's how we come to know. So tenses are words who will tell. Yes. whether a thing or an event or a situation happened in the present or in the past or will happen in the future. And we know, you know the three forms of tenses, everybody knows. The first is simple present, simple past, and third is past participle. So this is how we use them in everyday language. Okay, and it is very important to understand them and to know them. So today,
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes, yes.
Voice is not coming.
प्रॉपर lovely नहीं है.
You can't hear me?
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
In which class? In GOS?
Ma'am, in GOS.
Okay.
ये कि कम आ रही है धीरे.
Now, if I speak a little louder, is it okay? And I'm audible? Am I audible in all the in rest of the classrooms? Brahmagupta, can you hear me? Yes. Euclid, can you hear me? Archimedes, Euler. So it's only the boss. Aryabhatta, can you hear me? Yes, boss is up here. No. They can't hear. Okay. So here we are. If you take out the worksheet and now whatever verb form is given in the bracket and in context with the sentence, you will write down the correct verb form, which I'm sure you all already know a lot about it. Okay. Then if everything is correct, perfect. If you make a mistake, then we will discuss what should have been there and why. Okay. So I give you like 10 minutes to solve the whole worksheet. Look at the things very carefully. Now see the first sentence is, I blank a great film yesterday. Now, because it is yesterday, so we know that see will now become the past tense. And what is the past tense of see? Yes, Brahmgupta, middle girl in blue t-shirt. What is the past tense of see? So, very good. Because something that happened yesterday. So it is already in the past. Okay. So this is how you people are going to read the sentence, understand its context, and then change the verb form in that manner. Next one. Blank a new car. So it is a question because it has a question mark in the end. So it is a question. So it should start with a question word. But you have to think which question word. Is it going to be WH question word or is it going to be does, did, have, do, like what? So accordingly, start thinking and write the answer. So it is going to be a complete phrase here. Yes, again I can see hands raised in Brahmgupta house, middle row, blue t-shirt girl, come forward. Come forward, beta. Come forward. The girl who's sitting blue t-shirt, I could, yes, come forward, Euclids. Euclids, come. The girl in blue t-shirt, yes, who raised her hand. Perfect. Very good. Have you ever bought? Like it had to start with a question, but you had to think whether it's going to be WH question. WH questions are where, when, why, whose, whom. There are a lot of WH questions. Even how comes in the category of WH questions. Okay. Then we have did, do, have. Okay. All these kind of questions. Was. So here it is. Because it has a question mark in the end, we understood it was a question and it had to start with a question word. Okay. So have you ever bought a new car? Next one.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
I think the GOS section can hear us now.
Okay. Guys, can you hear us? If you can hear, very good. Perfect. Perfect. Now I want some answers from this class. Okay. You missed out. So let's The third answer should come from your class, your section. I blank him next Monday. Next Monday. So which kind of verb will come here? Past, present, or future? Think about it and then write accordingly. When it is next Monday. So has that event already happened, or it is happening right now, or it will happen in the future? So accordingly, you should write down. Okay. Okay, Gauss, can I have the answer from your class? Can someone come to the mic? Yes, come forward. I can see hands raised. Yes, the third row, the corner row, I can see a couple of hands raised. One of you come forward. Come forward and answer. Yes, yes, yes. I can see someone moving. I can't hear you if you're answering. You are not audible. I can't hear. Okay. I blank meet him next Monday. I think so. Your mic is not working properly, Gauss. Anyone else who would like to answer, because I could not hear you, Vijay? Yes, I can see a hand raised in our committees. It's probably the teacher. Yes, Gauss. Okay. Who will come and answer this? Quick. Raise your hand who wants to answer this. Euler House, who wants to answer? Raise your hand. I blank him next Monday. Yes, come forward. Yes, I can see last row towards the window, the boy in yellow t-shirt. Come. Answer.
Ma'am will meet.
Very good. I will meet, because this is going to happen. Okay, and whenever you have a future tense, you always add I shall or I will or I, like, I would. So next, the band blank while I was writing. This is a little tricky. Okay?
Hello. Hello,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes?
Am I audible?
Yes, yes.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. The band blank while I was writing. So the band, you know, the band, a musical band. What was the band doing while I was writing? So there are two different words given here, and you have to write according. This is something which happened in the, yeah. So it is something that happened already, because it's written was writing. Okay. So while she was doing one thing, what was the band doing? Yes, Euclides. I can see a girl raising her hand. Yes, come forward.
The band was playing while I was writing.
Perfect. The band was playing, okay, while I was writing. So band was playing in the background and I was writing. So when two things are happening, so we write in past continuous, okay? And so, and I have assumed that you have already done all the 12, tenses, like simple, like present, simple past, simple present, simple future, then continuous, then perfect. I'm sure you people have done that. Okay. And in case you still need a review on that, we can do it sometime. Next, Namita blank a brand new car in 2024. Very simple sentence. What did Namita do? This is 2025. So she got the car in 2024. So what tense it is going to be? What tense? Yes, I can see your hand raised. In Aryabhatta, I could see your hand raised. Would you like to come forward and answer?
Number.
Very good. Namita bought, because this action has already happened. It is in the past tense. Okay. Buy ka past tense is bought. Next. Karim dashed a lot of things at the flea market. Yes, again, I can say Euclids. I can see, yes, red t-shirt. Corner row, red t-shirt. I can see your hand raised. Yes, come forward. Karim blank a lot of things at the flea market. Bought. So Karim bought a lot of things at the flea market. Okay, and we can also have, like, that would, so Karim will buy a lot of things, presumption. Okay, that will also not be wrong here. Yes, because if you, like, it's kind of a prediction that at the flea market he's going to buy a lot of things. But don't confuse yourself, bought is perfectly all right. Okay. His mother blank in Mumbai for the past 5 years. Yes, I can see Aryabhatta. Yes. The girl in green t-shirt, middle row. Yes. You come forward.
Lived.
Yeah. Now see, my mother lived in Mumbai for the past 5 years. See, she's still living. So it has to be continuous. So it has to be continuous because she's still living there. Okay, so mother has been living. Has been, because since the last 5 years. So for the last 5 years, your mother is living in that place. She continues to live. You're only telling them that from what time she's been living. Okay. So it is has been living in Mumbai for the past 5 years, because the word for is here. So it will be has been living. Okay. It will be perfect continuous. We will talk about this in the context of for and since. Okay. Because both are right, but both, there can be a little confusion here, which is like very little. In spoken English, this is correct, but when you write, you have to be very precise. Okay.
Excuse me,
So,
ma'am.
yes,
Ma'am, I have a doubt in the sixth fill up.
yes, ask. Do ask.
Ma'am, your answer was is his mother is living in Mumbai for the past 5 years. Ma'am, but there is no clue that she is still living.
Yeah, for the past 5 years.
She lived.
Like, for the past 5 years, it's not that she lived in the, for the past 5 years. That is the clue. That means she's still living. Okay.
Yes.
For the last 5 years, she has been living in Mumbai. For the last, this we will discuss. Keep in mind, in the next class, I'm going to clear this whole thing about it. I knew there would be at least, and I'm very happy you asked your concern. Okay. So next class, whenever we have next week, bring the same worksheet and we'll work on it. And then you will see that you have no issues with tenses at all. Okay. Thank you very much. I hope you had a good class. And please keep your worksheets in your folder right away. Don't lose them. Thank you. Okay.